Hey, if you wonder if your JBL Clip 5 speaker is actually original, I can show you mine speaker. It's 100% original. I just ordered this speaker from official JBL site, and you can just take a look how it looks. So I'm gonna zoom in actually to get you better view. And this is actually how the logo looks. It's actually well made. The same for the volume buttons and the play button. On the right side you can actually find the name of the device. As you can see, everything is well made. There's no any issue right here with the quality of the product. This part actually is made out of this some kind of the rubber or silicone, and you can easily open it. This one is actually made of some kind of the metal, probably the aluminum. And right here you can find the indicator, and when you take a look right here, let's just catch focus, we can find the serial number with the black font, and inside we can find some other marking. So it was made in China, some power output. On the left side you can actually find the buttons, the power button, Bluetooth button, and the Auracast button. On the reverse we can also find some marking. There we go. I'm gonna move it slowly just to let you to catch all of these details, so you will be able to compare your speaker with mine. There we go. Now let's move into the USB-C port. That's how it looks. And right here we can find some another marking. There we go. So that's how it looks. And if you wonder about the box, so also I can show you if you want. So that's front of the device, of the box I mean. On the right side we can find some information about the Auracast, some base parameters. On the reverse there's also information about the IP67, about the battery time, the JBL portable application. On the left side some kind of the picture. At the top the name of the device, so it's for sure the portable Bluetooth speaker, I mean basically the type of the device. And at the bottom we can find some codes and some other notes. And inside the box looks like this. And it comes with the USB-C cable. The cable is actually really short. And yeah, that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.